How to burn fat, best tips. With the Harvard School of Public Health followed 10,500 healthy men over 12 years, they found that the guys who spent 20 minutes a day weight training had a smaller increase in abdominal fat compared to men who completed aerobic exercise for the same amount of time. 2. Complete compound moves. Since spot reduction is a myth, you've got to work your whole body to burn fat. While any strength training workout will help you do that, and while burning fat, not muscle, compound moves like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses require moving multiple joints and muscle groups, burning more fat and building more calorie-torching muscle. Think about it, rep per rep, rows work more muscle than curls do. The more muscle you build through proper exercise programming, the more fully firing your body's engine becomes, and the less effective fat is at staying stuck to your stomach, Pgza says. 3. Eat more protein. Eating whole, healthy sources of protein is vital to building muscle and burning more fat, says Sean W. Meadows, RD, a nutrition and wellness coach with the NEW program, a weight loss center in Newport Beach, California. While a pound of fat burns 2 calories per day, a pound of muscle burns 6, and takes up a whole lot less room on your frame. And in one 2014 Pennington Biomedical Research Center study, when people ate 40% more calories than they needed for 8 weeks, those on high-protein diets stored 25% of those extra calories as muscle. Those who ate low-protein diets stored 95% of them as fat. That's not to say you should up your caloric intake, we'll get to that next, but you should up your protein intake. 4. Cut some calories. Fat loss, whether it's centered on your stomach or in your chins, requires achieving a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you're taking in. Exercise can certainly help you achieve that, but a healthy diet is probably going to make the biggest dent in your caloric balance, Meadows says. After all, it might take you an hour to burn 400 calories in the gym, but so can swapping out a greasy burger with a baked chicken sandwich. 5. Chill out. While diet and exercise will get you damn close to your physique goals, living a healthier lifestyle is what may finally get you the body you want. Lifestyle factors such as stress, sleep, and relaxation are so important because they affect your hormonal system, which controls nearly every process in your body, Meadows says. For instance, too high levels of the stress hormone cortisol, in response to work demands, a lack of sleep, or zero me time, can lead to storage of fat around the midsection. Your move: learn to more effectively manage what stress you do have, and be willing to cut things out of your life that are constant unnecessary stressors. Bear in mind, too, that starving yourself completely isn't wise. If you're not fueling yourself adequately in your training, you won't be able to get the most from your key sessions, lowering performance, and your body could start dropping muscle mass rather than fat. Your body may also go into starvation mode, slowing the metabolism to conserve calories, which is exactly what you don't want. It's also worth avoiding food and drink that can cause bloating. While this isn't strictly speaking belly fat, it's caused by water retention in the tissues, edema, around your stomach and elsewhere on your body. It can cause the tum to look a little on the large side. You might already be aware of certain foods that have this effect on you, but salty foods and alcohol certainly have this effect, so are best avoided or limited, and that's not even to mention the hidden calories in alcoholic drinks. Less stress and its associated low mood can affect weight. Some people stop eating properly and lose weight, others turn to comfort eating and gain weight. Neither is ideal or healthy. Stress can also affect sleep levels. So controlling or managing your stress levels can have a beneficial effect on weight control. Happily, regular aerobic exercise such as cycling has been shown to be a great way of combating stress, decreasing anxiety, helping to reduce tension and boost your mood. What's more, getting outside into nature has also been shown to decrease stress levels according to a study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science, and handily cycling is a predominantly outdoor form of exercise. Post-cycling rest and recuperation. Sleep deprived? If you're trying to shift some weight, then getting enough sleep can be an important part of the equation. A study by the Kaiser Permanente Center for Health Research in Portland, U.S., demonstrated that people who slept between 6.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Check the description below and thank you so much for watching.